Yo, what's up everybody? It's Marcus bringing you a brand new video. And today we're going to be unboxing the HomePod Mini. So I was very excited about this because I always wanted a HomePod. I love Apple products. I'm a big Apple fanboy. So they finally came out with a mini. I thought the big one is a little too big for me. The original HomePod, it's like way bigger. I wish I had the comparison for you guys, but I only have this mini right here. I'm very excited. I actually went with the space gray, black or space gray, whatever you want to call it. This is what the boxing looks like. It's very dope. I like the design they went with on the box. Let's open this up. Whoa, voila. So here is what it looks like. It's very nice. It's very small, I will say, but I've heard a lot of good things about that. Like it put out a lot of sound quality, so I'm excited to test that out. Get an up close look of it. All right, I'll put that there. And then what else you get in the box? This little mini thing. You get obviously the little mini tells you how to work it. And then of course, I think we get a little sticker, of course. It's pretty dope. I love Apple stickers. And then of course, yes, finally Apple does a good thing and bundles it with a plug-in adapter. So that's what's in the box. So yeah, let's see. I'm gonna try to turn this on and hook it up. Okay, so yep, this is a USB-C adapter, which is, faster charging. And I'm glad Apple actually put an plug-in adapter into the box. So thank you, Apple. Take this off from the bottom. You get a little Apple logo on the bottom. It's pretty dope. Okay. Oh, wow.
I'm having trouble connecting to...
Ooh. Okay. Pretty dope. So yeah, that's how it turns on. It's pretty dope. I like that. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I do unboxings, reviews, gaming, technology, and random shit. So yeah, peace.